Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I style this Dolago lace frontal wig. The hair is actually a 13 by 6 lace frontal wig, and this is what the packaging looks like. The packaging comes with an elastic band, it comes with a wig cap, it also comes with an instruction of how to take good care of your hair, and this is what the hair itself looks like, guys. I'm loving this. The hair is actually blue straight from the box, so you don't have to worry about coloring your hair or doing anything else but, cutting the lace and, you know, styling your hair. Really, that's what the hair look like. Look at the curls, guys. The curls are popping. Look at that. I am a huge fan of this hair. I've been wearing this hair for a while, so I thought it'd be nice to share my thoughts with you guys after wearing it. So yeah, it comes with three combs at the front and one comb at the back. The hair has also been pre-plucked straight from the box, and it also comes with baby hair. So if you're the type that like baby hair, then you are in for a treat. So yeah, I wore the cap on my head and I made sure that the hair was sitting nicely on my head. So I decided to, put the hair all back and cut the lace into two sides. So for the first part, I applied the glue on my side and wait for the glue to turn invisible and clear. When I'm happy with that, then I lay the lace exactly on the areas where I apply the glue. But bear in mind that you have to make sure that the edges of the hair aligns with the lace. That's the only way you can get the melt you're going for. I really quite like the lace of this wig. The lace is really light and it's very close to my skin tone, which I really love a lot, and it just melted easily without any stress whatsoever. So I did the same thing on the other side as well, which is laying the hair down on the area where I applied the glue. So when I'm happy with that, then I laid my scarf on the hair and to make sure that everything is sitting in place and melted. Yes, melted, guys. So yeah, that's all I did so far. So when I'm happy with that, then I removed the scarf and showed you guys what the hairline looks like. Yeah, I am a fan. The hairline was so natural and very close to my own natural hairline. I like the fact that the hairline was not that roundish Instagram look you see everywhere, but this hairline is so close to my own natural hairline, so which is the more reason why I love this hair a lot. So yeah, just wait and see until I start the hair and you'll be able to tell, make your own, form your own opinion about the hair. But so far so good. I am loving it. So I cut off the excess lace from the wig and voila, that's the finished look, guys. So yeah, the hairline is amazing. Like seriously, look at that. You can barely tell that this is a wig. It felt as if the hair was actually growing from my scalp, in my opinion. Like seriously, where is the laces? Show me the lace. The hair is popping. Like the lace is melted. Look at that. Show me the lace. Show me the laces. Where is the lace? I love the hairline a lot. So bear in mind that you can also part the hair anywhere you like. You can do side parts because the hair actually have like 6-inch parting space, so that gives you, look at that, it gives you a lot of space to part the hair just like your own natural hair. Look at that. I was feeling that, so I decided to go for my normal side parts and I applied my mousse. Look at that, the hair went in immediately. I love this hair so much, and I was just feeling myself. I mean, the hairline all through the styling process. Look at that. It felt so real, like it was growing from my scalp. That for me is just a no-brainer. The more reason why I love this hair so much, it looks so natural. I mean, if I would recommend this, I would definitely recommend it for the lace and for the quality of the hair, guys. Apart from the fact that the lace melted, the quality of the hair is amazing. For colored hair to feel so much like my own real hair, I just couldn't help myself but show myself a bit. Look at that. Look at that. Where's the laces? I was feeding myself. Like seriously, Dolago hair, you did that. Like, you did that. You're not here to play. I love it. So yeah, that's the first look, and bear in mind that you can style it anyhow you like. I just decided to show you guys the style that I would go for wearing this, and the next step is to curl the hair as always. But before then, I was just showing you guys, like, look at that. I love the hair so much. You guys can tell even from my expression in the video, you'll be able to tell that I was feeling myself, and I was feeling the quality of the hair. The quality of the hair is just so stunning. Like, seriously, you would have thought that this was my natural hair. So I went to pick extra today, and a lot of people were like, oh my god, I love your hair. Everyone was like, seriously, is this your hair? Is this? This is not my hair, it's a wig. I didn't grow my hair overnight. I love the hair so much, and so I was like, can I touch it? Can I touch it? I said, go ahead and touch it, but bear in mind it's a wig, it's not my hair. She's like, seriously? Oh my days. What wig? What lace? Like, seriously, I was like, okay, don't worry, just stay tuned to my channel. I'll give you the details. And also, I posted this on my Instagram stories day, and a lot of you guys are like, oh my days, what hair is this? Lillian, what hair is this? Did you color it? No, I didn't color it. I didn't do anything. It's exactly like this, straight from the box. And a lot of people were replying on my story like, seriously? Please give us the details. I said, okay, don't worry, stay tuned to my channel. And this is the hair, guys. The hair is actually from Dolago hair, and yeah, I am loving it. I just kept saying I'm loving it because I am, as you can tell from my expression in the video. I couldn't help myself. And coupled with the fact that this is one of those hair that made people, like, went into my space, like almost into my face, just to be sure that it was truly my hair or if it was a wig. So that is the real hair that you should be looking for, guys. Look at the curls, guys. The curls are popping. The hair tip to curls really well. I mean, the quality of this hair is just fabulous. Like, seriously, I don't know how else to explain this. Like, the quality of the hair is just out of this world. Like, I've been trying a lot of colored hair, but this one is amazing, like outstanding. Like, seriously, I love it. I love it. As you can tell from the video, I was feeling myself. There's no need for me to go on and on. Anyway, stay tuned to my review. Guys, welcome to my channel. So today's story is all about this Dolago colorful hair right here. This hair is actually one of their colorful lace front wigs. So I'm just going to go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So the first thing that I noticed straight from the box is the fact that the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box. As you can tell, I didn't do anything to the hair. This was what the hair looks like straight from the box. So you don't have to worry about plucking your hair or over plucking your hair or anything like that, because it has been done for you straight from the box. As you can tell, the hairline looks so natural, which I am loving right now. It doesn't give that roundish, you know, Instagram look like you see everywhere. So I really quite like the hairline, and I like the fact that the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box, so you don't have to worry about that at all. So another thing that I noticed about the hair is the fact that the hair also comes with an elastic band from, you know, in the package. If you decide that I like using elastic band, then that's also an option for you. You can use that to secure your hair without having to worry about any glue or gel. And also in the construction of the cap, the hair also have an elastic strap inside the cap. So if that's the look you're going for, that's quite good. You can go for that as well. There'll be no need for you to apply any glue or gel. But if you're the type that like glue or gel like me, because for me, I always like to wear the hair that I, you know, review for you guys for a while, so I'll be able to give you a detailed review by the time I, you know, edit this video. So yeah, which is the reason why I go for glue. But if not, you can use elastic band, you can use elastic strap to secure your hair, and you are good to go. Another thing that I like about this hair is the fact that the hair is really soft. I don't know if you guys can feel what I am feeling. The hair is so soft and very silky. Look at that, guys. And I love the movement of the hair as well. For a colorful hair, you'd have thought like there will be, you know, no movement whatsoever, but the movement of the hair is just so amazing. And look at the hairline, guys. Look at that. The hair is really soft and very silky. There is no tangling, there is no shedding, and there is no split ends whatsoever. The hair is actually full to the brim. As you guys can tell, I curl this hair during the styling of the hair, and I can assure you that this hair took to curls really well. As you guys can tell, I showed you guys while I was, you know, curling the hair, the curls were popping, like seriously. But I thought I needed a loose body wave kind of look, so I decided to comb the curls out, because my point was just to show you guys that the hair took to curls really well, despite the fact that it's a colored hair. There was no shedding whatsoever, guys. No shedding, and I mean no shedding, I mean it, no shedding whatsoever. Throughout the styling process of the hair, I didn't experience any shedding at all, and I mean none whatsoever. Because when I'm always very skeptical when it comes to colorful hair, especially the one that is colored straight from the box, I'm always like, you know, worried about them. But with this one, I was quite surprised that there was no such thing like shedding, tangling, or, you know, matting. As you can tell, the ends are also very neat, and there's no split ends whatsoever. I don't know if you guys can see, look at that. There's no split ends whatsoever, and all the length of the hair are the same. There's no shaft or piece you see everywhere on your hair, especially with colored hair. There was no such thing at all. All the hair are actually the same length all through the hair, which I really like a lot. I am a huge fan of that. And also, I don't know if it's just me, maybe not. If you go outside with this hair actually gives a reflect, I don't know, like it reflects purple and blue. And also, if you don't know Dolago hair, they are a hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. They have straight hair, they have body wave, they have all types of hair on their website. They also have black hair, so don't get it twisted thinking they only sell colored hair. No, they have black hair, they have colored hair, they have all types of hair. They have silky straight, they have body wave, they have, you know, all type of hair and styles on their websites at affordable prices. Also, they normally have offers on their website, so you definitely find something for yourself or your friend on their website. But if you are a huge fan of colorful hair, I'll definitely recommend that you Google Dolago colorful hair, and you see all their colorful hairstyles on their website. And also, I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box as well, so you can feel free to check that out as well. In terms of the color, I am a huge fan. I love the color a lot. I love the fact that it reflects blue and purple at the same time. I am a huge fan. I'll be wearing this hair for a while before doing the, you know, voiceover, and I'll let you guys, you know more, and I'll give you guys more details about the hair. Another thing that I really like about this hair is the lace, guys. I really love the lace. The lace melted into my skin easily, like no effort, no stress at all. Look at that. It looks so natural. You'd have thought that this was actually my hair. I really love the hairline a lot. I just keep showing myself, like I'm just feeling myself right now. Look at that, guys. I am a huge fan of the hair. I am a huge fan of the hairline and the lace. It looks so natural. Look at that. You'd have thought that that was my hair, guys. Where is the lace? And the hair is so soft as well. Look at that. Show me the lace, sis. Show me the lace. I am loving this so far. I am loving it. Look at that. The lace made it easier for me to install the hair. The lace is really soft and very easy to, you know, work with. As you can tell, it melts into my skin without any effort or any stress at all. So in terms of the lace, I'll definitely give this brand an A+, because I just love the lace. I love the lace. So yeah, that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.